So, good morning, students. Here, I welcome you to the virtual class. Today's topic is that comparing a globe and a map and even the field visit. So, we are going to learn about it. So, here, students. So, good morning, student. Again, we are discussing about the globe, map, and field. In the introduction part, we have learned about why we use globe, why we use map. So, student, this is a picture. This is a picture of the map. It's a globe and the field visit. Okay. So now we are going to learn about the in details what is that. Okay. So here, students, that you have learned about the what are the parallel lines and the vertical and parallel lines on the globe, and this gives an information of the exact place. Okay, place of the on the earth. So students, that we have that you have learned about the what is meridian, what is parallel line drawn on the globe. We have learned about it, and even we have also learned that it helps to determine the location on the earth. So students, here we are going to learn, and here we are going to compare the what is the difference between map and the goal. Okay, students. So here, so what is that? We are going to how we can say that it is a map, it is a earth. So we are going to compare about it. So here these are the questions. So we are going to learn which device is flat, which device is spherical, which of this device allows you to see the entire area of the earth at the same time, which device allow you to see only one side of the earth at a time, which device can be used for studying a particular region in detail, which device can be called a model of the earth. So map is the device flat, and a globe is a spherical in shape, and the entire area of earth you wanted to see at the same time. So the how you can see, but through a map you can see. And the sphere means sphere means what which is in a spherical shape. The globe, it is in spherical shape, and it allows you to see only one side of the earth at a time. And if you wanted to study a particular region in detail, only maps is useful to you. And the globe is a device which is the model of the earth. So students, the map is what? Map is a two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means what? A surface which have the length width, which called a two dimension. It means that a paper, a blackboard, tabletop, a land which has a flat surface. Okay, a surface which have only length and width, which is a two-dimensional. And three-dimensional is what? It is an object which has a three dimension. Three dimension means what? Length, width, height. What? Length, width, and the height. These are what? These are the three dimensional. For example, your moon is there, your glass is there, duster box, your notebook, your mobile, your laptop. Okay, and even your cupboard. All these are the three dimensional. So students, I guess the idea clears what is mean a map. Map is a two-dimensional which representation of a certain region of the world, and the globe is a three-dimensional which represent the whole of the world. And students, in order to, okay, so what is mean by the then what is mean by the field visit? Okay, well, later on we'll learn the field visit. So here, students, in order to draw a map of the whole world, if you wanted to see, basically the globe come into exist. पहला globe उन्होंने बनाया, okay, and now it is necessary to draw a map. So how they draw a map? You can see in this PPT, in this picture, that they have put a light. They have thrown a light on this globe, and how when they they put the light on that globe, and as per that they draws a line. It means that your altitude, longitude, they have drawn on the paper. So that's why in order to draw a map of the whole world, first a wire globe is prepared. Which globe is prepared? Wire globe, which a source of light is placed inside the globe. Then a projection of this wire is put in, the wire graticule is obtained on a paper. Then this projection is used to draw a map. So in this way, graticule is essential. Graticule is essential for drawing the map of the earth. Yeah, map of the earth. Okay, fine. Okay, the next one is, that is why the two-dimensional map is obtained on paper from three-dimensional globe. It means that अगर हमें two-dimensional, three-dimensional का जो भी है, okay, that will obtain from a three-dimensional globe. Now the field visit. So students, field visit means what? If I said that in vegetable market, the person of people, they sit together and they sell some vegetables, and in a vegetable they sell a various number of vegetables. So how you will get the knowledge? If you visit that place personally. If a person, here I'll ask the question. So students, it means that a field visit, we are talking about an educational trip. Huh? A field visit is an important method of studying geography. Why? If you want, just now we have discussed about the Raigad fort, that Arya said that it is in valley. Okay, fine, it is in valley. So it means that you will get an information about the geography. Okay, and this field visit also helps to understand geographical and social condition of that place. And even this field visit help us to interact with the people. If you wanted to know how the crops grade grows, crops कैसे grow होता है, rice crop कैसे होता है, you will get in the books. But if you will have an educational trip like a rice farm, rice farm, so there the farmer will give a detailed information जो आपके book में भी नहीं होगा. In that way he will explain it very nicely. It means that a field visit help us to interact with the local people to understand their problems. Now here in the introduction part we have discussed about some museum. Here we have discussed about some museum. So students, Artha. So this is a picture of the, this is what? This is the picture. Okay. This is the picture of the globe in the world, that it is how. So Artha is what? Artha is the largest operational globe in the world. It is housed is a Yarmouth. Yarmouth means that it is a state of Maine which is in the United States of America. ये जो अर्था म्यूजियम है, ये म्यूजियम कहाँ पे है? Yarmouth में. And where is that Yarmouth? It is in the state of Maine, which is in, means it's a United States of America. And students, the rotation of this Earth is same as the rotation of our Earth. जैसे अपने Earth का speed है, like that speed is maintained for the Earth. This Earth Museum. Okay, Steve. USA means USA. Very good, Shardul. Okay, so here we have learned about it and we have done with our lesson.